Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I decided to do a quick little haul of the things that I picked up from Kitchen Stuff Plus the other day. So this is more of a lifestyle home decor section, so hopefully you guys are in for this. It's quite quick, it's not a lot of stuff, but I got some really great things because currently Kitchen Stuff Plus has a sale going on, so you know it's good. So I still have everything in the bag, so you're gonna hear like ruffling. Sorry about that. So the first thing I picked up was, I picked up 2 bath mats. And one bath mat I picked up is this one. This is called a Lush Chilean bath mat. Has a non-slip latex backing and it is 100% polyester. But look at the texture of it. It's so soft and so fun. So this one is just, I'm very excited for this. I think it's gonna look really nice just in general because it's in neutral. And I also picked up another one. This one is a luxury cotton bath mat. This one's machine washable and this one's 100% cotton. And this one is just fun because it actually, can you see that? It says bath. I think that's so fun. And I like the fact that it's machine washable. It's this really cool neutral color of the cream and then the tan, which is also super nice. So I'm really, really excited for those because those are something that just kind of brings a bathroom together. Plus, who doesn't love to have little cushy softness underneath their feet? I know I do. The next thing I picked up is something that pretty much everyone has in their shower. This is a shower caddy. So the one that I have right now isn't that nice. And I also thought that this one would just, this one also has a dish at the bottom. So the one that I have doesn't have this for soap. So the soap just kind of like has nowhere to go. Just like talking through this, sorry. And this was really nice. This is an aluminum shower caddy. It is rust resistant and I really like it because I think that it's going to be great for like my shampoo and conditioners and stuff, as well as keeping my like washcloth loofahs right there. Again, awesome. Love this. And then I got, I got something quite funny. So this is a back massager. It extends. So like I can massage my back. I know it seems silly, but when you want to rub your back and you have no one there, I mean, it comes in handy. At least that's what I told myself when I picked it up. And then the last thing I picked up is this laundry bag. So my sister told me that she got this from Kitchen Stuff Plus, and it's actually the same one that my nephew has in his room. And it is a bag, and it has, let me lean back, it has whites, darks, and then colors on here, and it has compartments. And I love it because it has handles, which means I'll be able, oh my god, this thing is huge compared to me. I'll be able to carry this to the laundry room, and that's one of the reasons why I picked it up. Because that means that I can put my clothes in here, sort them, I can take it to the laundry room and then bring it back. And I'm able to keep everything super organized. So, that's my receipt. So the back extender was $4.99. So the back extender that you saw, the back extender, the massager was $4.99. This caddy was $14.99. The Chilean gray and white bath mat was $14.99. The one that says bath was $19.99. What else did I get? The hamper was also $14.99. And, oh wait, I'm missing something. What am I missing? Oh, I know what I'm missing. I just don't know where it is. Oh. Hold on. Oh no! I don't even know where it is. Okay, so it's an expandable shelf. And that was also $19.99. So what it is, it goes into your cabinet and it allows you to put dishes like at the bottom and at the top inside your shelf. What I'm gonna do, since I don't know where it is for some reason, is I'm gonna insert right here what I'm talking about since I don't have it, but that was $20 at also Kitchen Stuff Plus. Sorry for my little spasm, my little moment there that I had. My little moment that I had there where I was like, blah! Anyway, so that's everything that I picked up from Kitchen Stuff Plus the other day. I thought that I would just let you guys see and get an idea, and also to let you know that they're having this sale, which I think is awesome, that you can pick up some great things for your kitchen as well as your bathroom. Major home stuff is on sale too, which I think is pretty awesome. I went to the one that's at Cloverdale Mall here in Toronto, because that's like the only Kitchen Stuff Plus I've actually ever been to. But yeah, let me know in the comments below if there's anything there home related that you liked, and please don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.